Annually by the chiefs and people of the Agortime traditional area. The theme for the celebration this year, woven together, Kente, Agortime's creative gift to the world, captures the essence of our identity, culture, and resilience as a people.
The fourth, the chiefs and people of Agortime, I present this cloth to you to be given to the Commissioner General for the good work that the Ghana Revenue Authority have been doing in the lives and in the lives of the people of Agortime. Thank you.
Oh, okay, the package has been unwrapped. What was given to Commissioner Alex Adomako Mensah is in sight for him to see. A very vividly bluish colored cloth. There he puts it on. From the corner and the... Those in our shop are big men, big men. Anything about money in Ghana, they collect our money. And they make sure the government has money.